I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying squeaky door. So let's get started. What we have here is a bathroom door where the hinges are annoyingly squeaky, and I'll show you. You hear that? Just annoying. We need to go ahead and lubricate those. Okay, well now we're going to go ahead and apply some lubricant on there. Now, a lot of times people will go to WD-40 to use that, and I've done that in the past myself. Now, however, WD-40 is technically not a lubricant. That's more of a cleaning type solvent liquid that's used where you can spray it on metal contact where there's grime, dirt, or even rust, and that will clean that out and create a better bond. It appears as if it's lubricating it because then you don't have any kind of abrasion in that movement anymore because it cleaned it, but it's technically not a lubricant. So what I'm going to recommend using here is this liquid wrench white lithium grease. I've used this before on other squeaking joints. I've used it on garage doors. If you haven't checked out my video on that, you can do so via the link above. But anyway, you can pick this up at Harbor Freight. I believe it's $6.99 at Harbor Freight. This is great stuff. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to connect the nozzle to it, spray it in there, and I'll show you how well it works. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and spray this here, put a little bit here. And a little bit there. Now I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down because I don't want that running down onto the floor. So take a little bit of either a napkin or something and just kind of wipe the excess off. And then what we're going to do is just work it in. You can see that? Nice and quiet. I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom hinge as well. Let this work in a little bit, and then we'll come back and check it and see how it held up. Make sure you clean the inside of the hinge as well, since it will spray through and you don't want that leaking on your floor. Just want to do just a surface wipe down. You don't want to wipe it all off because you want it to stay in there and do its job. Okay, well that pretty much took care of it. That annoying squeak is gone. Right here, liquid wrench, white lithium grease, great stuff. In a matter of seconds, the problem is solved. So, I hope this video helped you out. I hope it was informative for you. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support out there. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, and I'll see you next time.